You want a nice colourful zigzag design in Photoshop 221? Well, this is a quick way of doing it. The initial document was 2000 by 2000. This is 400 by 400. I'm going to create a quick line using the Align tool. And I'm using shape and I'm using the stroke. I'm going to go for grey. So just a basic grey and set the width to about 30. Now I'm also going to go for a layer style, so layer style, and I'm going to go for bevel and emboss. Just give it a quick bevel and emboss and a drop shadow. So you've got a bit of a shadow there, and click OK. Now I don't want the background. Quick way of doing that, simply just go to the eye there and remove it in the layers panel. Then just go to edit and define pattern. Click OK. Back in the original document, go to layer, and then go to a layer, a new layer, click OK. Then go to edit and fill. Then go for the contents pattern option. Go for custom pattern, set script on symmetry fill. Click OK. Set the symmetry type to 11. Set the pattern scale to 0.5. Set the width to 0, 0, and also set the randomness. I'm going to go for 0.9, but if you don't want that, set it to 0, perfectly reasonable as well. Brightness randomization also set to 0.95, click OK. You've got your design there, your zigzag design. Select the layer, hold down the Alt Option key and drag. And you can do that multiple times and create very quickly a design like this. Of course, what you can also do, you can select all of them and then just drag and do exactly the same. Hold down the Alt Option key and drag. And you've filled your design with your zigzag design. Very quick and easy like that. Nice colourful zigzag design. Very quick and simple using the pattern symmetry feature. Hope you found this of interest. Always add new tutorials all the time. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Thank you much.